Miss Pollock, this is my chemistry final. I made a simulation sandbox kind of game, and you just spawn in atoms with spacebar, and you can adjust their protons with left click and right click. You can see their name, charge, mass, and protons. You can go all the way up to argon from hydrogen. You can bond things covalently, so if I take an oxygen and two hydrogen, I can connect them and make water. Over here, I can create methane by connecting 4 hydrogen to this carbon. Next, if I make 4 oxygen, I can actually have a reaction because the 2 hydrogen on the other side will be given to an oxygen, and the other 2 oxygen will connect to the carbon, creating carbon dioxide. This is a reaction known as combustion. Two water vapor and 1 carbon dioxide. This also demonstrates stoichiometry. You can also create ions by adding or removing electrons if you hold Control and left or right click. Here, if I create sodium, I can make it an ion by getting rid of that electron. Next, I can make chlorine and add an electron to create table salt. I can demonstrate an acid-base reaction by mixing a negatively charged chlorine with a positively charged hydrogen ion to create hydrochloric acid, and then create sodium hydroxide by mixing a positively charged sodium ion with a negatively charged hydroxide ion. If I mix them, the sodium and the chloride will mix, and the hydroxide will mix with the hydrogen. That makes water. You can also demonstrate nuclear chemistry if you take an unstable isotope of argon and hit it with a neutron, it will break off alpha particles, splitting it into an alpha particle and a lower element. The alpha particle was above, and then it turned into sulfur. This is so that the atom can become stable. You can do this multiple times. Those are all the alpha particles.
It is a weeping and a mourning and a natural thing. It is a weeping and a mourning and a natural thing. It is a when it comes to the mic sound within the champion sound.
Come on, just give it a try. Alright, maybe just a
Okay,
hit.
Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk me. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk me. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy.
Swerve.
Yo chick, she so thirsty.
Swerve.
I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk me. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she